Hey, Tawny.
Hi.
Welcome.
Oh my gosh, last time I was here, I can't believe that this was wood beams and I was wearing a hard hat. This is almost complete now.
It's really complete on the inside. We've just got some of the outside landscaping and the pool going in, but you don't need a hard hat this time, so you're good, yeah.
Anytime I don't need a hard hat, I'm great. And it's just so impressive that you guys don't miss a detail. And I mean, not just paint details, but design details, which I'm always so impressed with.
Yeah.
I think that's one of the keys to what we do, is that we want to create a turnkey product that someone's going to come in. If they want to buy the furniture that we've staged, it's here, it's been well thought out. There's a whole process behind that. And just over the years, we've learned that what we really need to do is deliver a product that has a smart home capability. It's ready for solar, it's ready for your electric car in the garage. It really is for someone to come in and plug and play. All they need to bring is their toothbrush.
No, and I mean, it blows my mind every time I go to one of your properties. Like, now you have a pool, which before you weren't planning to have a pool, but
Yeah.
Why the change?
Well, you know, that's reacting to the market. And what we've seen, especially with COVID, everybody right now is in their homes. They want their homes to be a sanctuary. So the pool was an add-on. That's why the outside's not done. But it is so integral to having the feel of a place that is a luxurious, it's a resort at home. We really are seeing a huge influx of buyers from out of town, especially the Bay Area. And they're high tech, but they want the Southern California lifestyle, the indoor-outdoor living that you clearly see we have.
I mean, you guys are kings of the outdoor living, because the traditional, you know, huge windows, sliding doors is just, it's a masterpiece.
This is going to be a product of the last year of a lot of hard work, and pulling together our plumbing, our flooring, our countertops, the tile, the furniture, the overall look, and just putting that all together has been something that we are getting better and better at. And it's definitely something we offer our clients, in that you could be at this for 2 years or you can be at it for 1 year. And there's a big difference when you can fast track that and still deliver a quality product.
Right, it matters who you work with. And I mean, I've seen builders who don't care as much as you do, and that's a nice way of saying it. Doesn't put as much passion and thought, and it shows in everything you do, down to every finish, all the beautiful tile, the details. I mean, I'm in love with everything.
Well, it is a team in place that we have, and actually Kevin's wife, Nina, is one of our key members on the team that really takes the inspiration of what we wanted to create and really gets practical with things like tile.
What? You've been holding out a secret. I need your wife in my life to do some designing for me.
I try to take credit for way too long for all her hard work, but really, you know, in some regards, we're a bunch of guys. We need a woman's touch, and we need her vision for really what's current, and actually what's going to be current in 6 to 9 to 12 months from now, and just not to be stale. We want to have something that's going to be timeless, but at the same time, you're excited every time you come home, you get into your shower, and just everything about that experience is going to be a unique experience.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, I gotta meet this woman behind the curtain, and maybe she can design my future home.
Well, you're really lucky, because Nina's actually meeting with our tile designer at her studio in the Cedros District. And Cedros is the mecca of design for San Diego, really high-end stuff. And we can set up a VIP meeting, and you can see how the process all happens. How about that?
It's gonna be like a kid in a tile shop.
There you go.
Well, ladies, this is very exciting for me to be here. I've admired the Dalzell Group and everything that they do. Their houses are stunning, and it turns out that there's a lot going behind the scenes, right?
Sure is.
And Nina, you have a huge role in helping with their houses.
So basically, when a project comes about, whether it's custom or spec, we look at all the plans, so the architectural plans, and based on the architectural design and what the idea and concept is, we'll go ahead and start picking out all the various things necessary to create just a gorgeous home from the inside out. So
it works. And then Devin is the perfect partner to come in for this. because your role is everything beautiful tile.
Yeah, exactly. I help them, Nina and Kevin, spec the tiles, countertops, flooring, showers, everywhere where you could use a hard surface. So it's been so much fun working with them and on their projects. We've done so many together now.
I know. We should
It's
start
been really
keeping
fun.
Count.
Yeah.
You get to work off each other's brains. It's great. And
Yeah.
you guys are basically coming into a blank canvas. So I know me, I'm the worst with decisions, and just looking around, these tiles are gorgeous. I didn't even know tiles like this existed, first of all. So how are you going through the process of, picking, and what do you decide to put in the homes?
Basically, the design of the home, or the architectural design of the home, will start to dictate the design and style of the interior. So when we look at tile, whether we're building a craftsman, a farmhouse, a modern, whatever it is, we then start to narrow down what our tile options could be. For example, if we're building a modern home, we're going to look at more modern tiles. And if we're building a spec home, we're going to be looking at trends, and we're going to be looking at just an overall beautiful look that isn't too specific. And then if we're doing a custom home, we're specifically looking at that client's needs,
Right.
wants,
Yes.
and narrowing it down.
And that
way.
makes sense, because if you're in a spec home, you kind of have to generalize what you're putting in there to fit to the masses. But if it's someone's custom home, you can get whatever you want.
Exactly,
right?
exactly.
They're living it, you know who's going to live in there. And you mentioned trends. What kind of trends are, I know there's fashion trends, but tile has trends too, clearly,
Sure.
right?
Yeah, it does. And actually, I look to my clients, my designers, to kind of guide me in what I need to have in here to kind of meet their needs with different trends. So for this coming year, it's a lot of warmer colors, a lot of texture. Terrazzos are coming back. So I just really look to my clients to guide me on what I need to have here for them. And a lot of Instagram and Pinterest too. There's so many great things on there too.
Well, ladies, I'm happily overwhelmed with the beautiful selections, and I know the Dalzell Group has so many amazing projects coming up, and now I know the masters behind all this beautiful art.
Oh,
Thank
So
you.
if you want to find a home, come see these ladies. They can design some incredible pieces for you.